So I recently came across this interesting use case while working with a client. So they offer a free trial service to their users. A user just needs to fill in the free trial, and then he would be enrolled into a sequence wherein he would be guided on how to subscribe for that particular free trial. And they also have a more info form wherein if someone wants to gather more information about their product, they are then enrolled into a different sequence wherein they get emails about all of the various features in their particular product. Issue was that the user was on a sales professional plan. He had these two sequences running, but he wanted an automation in such a way that if someone has filled a more info form and is enrolled into the more info sequences, the moment he clicks on the free trial or applies for a free trial, he needs to be unenrolled from the more info sequence and directly enrolled into the free trial sequence, which was a very fair ask. But the issue over here is what he actually felt was that he needed to be on a sales enterprise plan because on a sales professional plan, there's no sequence automation which takes place. On a sales enterprise plan, you can actually enroll contacts into a sequence via a workflow. But on a sales professional, we need to manually select contacts and then enroll into a sequence. But he wanted this particular thing to happen on a sales professional plan. And I was surprised, and I'm still surprised that very few people use this particular feature of sequence automation. So I just thought of making this video to do as to how we achieve particular solution in this use case. So you have these two sequences, which a very similar setup which the client had. So in this more info sequences, now if I go to automate, there is this custom automation feature which is there. It's available on your sales professional plan as well. So what we did was we created an automation which said that for a specific form, if anyone filled in the contact us form, they should be enrolled into this particular sequence. And the sender type could be anyone. It could be a contact owner or specific sender. I select contact owner and create. So now every time someone fills in the contact us form, he was directly enrolled into the more info sequences. Now during this particular journey, if someone filled out a free trial form, like the requirement was suggested, he needed to be unenrolled from this sequence and then enrolled into the free trial sequence. So for that as well, we created an extra set of extra set of automation wherein if a form submission takes place and if they fill out the free trial form, we need to unenroll the contact from this particular sequence. Yep. So now if you see, if a contact submitted a contact us form, he was enrolled into this more info sequences. And during this journey, if he filled out the free trial form, he was unenrolled. So that was one part of it wherein he got unenrolled. But he also wanted that he should be automatically enrolled into the free trial sequence as well. So to do that, we then came into the free trial sequence, again came to automation. And over here, we created an automation which said that if he fills in the free trial form, he needs to be enrolled into this particular sequence, wherein the sender type could be the contact owner, create, and that was it. And that is how we created this whole automation without having a sales enterprise plan, also ensuring that the requirement of the client was fulfilled. So this is how you use it. You could use it in your processes as well. And if you found this helpful, do let me know. If you have any queries or need help setting this up, you could hit me up as well. Thank you.